going, y'all? It is Chris with pennies1000s.com, and I want to give you a brief tutorial on this site, Swagbucks. It's pretty much one of the first get paid to sites that I signed up with, years ago. So I've been making money with it for a long time. It's still around, still paying very fast, very good. So, like I said, I'm going to show you a brief tutorial, and I'm going to do a cash out in this video. So first, you'll see here the top right corner, I have 13.54. That is $13.54 each SB as a swag buck is equivalent to 1 penny. So that's how much I have. Like I said, I'm going to cash out at the end of the video, and I'm going to give you a tutorial on, what you can do on this site, what I do to make money, all kind of different things. So first thing you can kind of pay attention to right here is the search and earn. Like I know many of us use Google, when we're searching, but you can actually search on here and get paid to search. Right now, when you search, you might make anywhere between 3 cents to 10 cents, but you might not always get it on the first search. But if you continue searching just a few times, just search anything, you'll get paid eventually. It might take maybe 10 searches to do it, but you can get paid to search. All right, so that's really cool to start out with. You'll see here right next to it, actually have a bonus. If you earn 30 cents, 30 swag bucks, you'll get an extra 3 cents as a bonus. And I think they have another one that you can get. Yeah, right here. So let's say you reach this 30 cent and you get 3 cent. The next one you can get is 108, and actually give you 4 bonus points for that, 4 swag bucks. And if you can continue to do a streak, complete a 7-day streak and get 25 swag bucks, just continue bonuses on bonuses. And then right here is another little bonus section. You complete 6 items, you get 3 cent. Complete 8 items, you get 10 cent right here. And these are really, easy to do. Just basically attempt a survey. Daily discover, that's basically just going through doing an offer. Daily watch, that's watching the video. Deal of the day, that's basically just looking at what deal they have. You don't have to buy anything, just looking at it. Receipts offer, taking picture of your receipt. This site actually has an app as well, so you can actually have the app on your phone on the go. It's much easier to take pictures of receipts on your phone than it is on the computer, but you can still do it on the computer if you want to. And of course, the daily polls. So I mean, these are things that I pretty much do anyway when I'm on here. Just bonuses on top of bonuses. Really, this whole section is going to offer you something. So really, if you just kind of play around with the site, you'll just gradually earn these bonuses throughout. So going back to the home page, you see here they have surveys here. These surveys really don't take that long at all. Like this one here is 70 minutes. Yeah, that's probably a long one, but right here 2 minutes, 5 swag bucks. 17 minutes, 75 cent. 5 minutes, 25 cents. So these are pretty much standard surveys. Not going to take you all day, and like I always tell you, it really depends on how fast you are answering surveys. But you might get done with these surveys a little earlier than they expect. So now I want to go over here to answer. I'm gonna click on this, and you'll see here as soon as I click on it, they actually offer me a survey, 6-minute survey at $1.25. You know what I'm saying? So they'll put something that's pretty much recommended for you, something you have a high chance of qualifying for. But for the purpose of this video, I'm not going to do it. And you see here they have other surveys that you can take, a long list of them. I mean, there's a good amount of them. And the thing about it is, for each survey that you disqualify for, you will get 1 cent. So they will give you something for your time. It's not a lot, but I always appreciate it and like it when sites actually offer you something, because there are a lot of sites out there where you can attempt a survey and you disqualify and they give you nothing. So it's always cool when the site can actually get you something for that. The daily poll, that's one I always do. It's basically just answering the question. Yeah, right here, just answer the question, how you feel about hugs. I love hugs, I guess. Just vote and you'll earn 1 swag book for doing that. See right there, you see my balance went up 13.55. So and it'll kind of give you the results, what everybody else is saying. So I mean, that's just the survey and the daily poll section of it. If you go over here to discover, this is basically where all the offers are. So if you kind of just scroll down, you'll see here the offers from trusted partners. They got pretty much all the standard ones you can use: AdGate, AdGem, Offer Turo, things like that. And with the surveys, like I say in all my videos, a lot of them are just submit your email, or just sign up for this, just little stuff like that. Offers really do not take as long as people think, and so offers are kind of a good adjustment. If you kind of been doing surveys for a little while, you're kind of frustrated with it, or you get kind of tired of that, just switch over to some offers. Do that, because you can pile your money up fast as well. With doing the offers, it really doesn't take that long. It's not hard. Just kind of pay attention to that. these magic receipts. So for every receipt that you take a picture of, you get paid 2 cents. And like I said, they have an app. So, once you sign up with the website, you create your account and all that good stuff. I recommend downloading the app to your phone. That way, you can still log in through your app, and when you have a picture of a receipt, it's very easy, just click on that receipt button, take a picture of it, and you get credited within like 5 seconds after taking a picture of the receipt. And there's an unlimited amount. So you can take as many, pictures of receipts as you have, just racking up 2 cents for every one. And the thing is, we all have receipts. We can all pretty much find receipts anywhere and everywhere. So just might as well get paid for them. 2 cents for each one. It doesn't sound like a lot, but you really will be surprised at how fast it adds up if you're doing that pretty much every day, with like 3, 4 receipts, a day. So just always keep that in mind. And of course, it has some other little offers you can do here, things you can go for shopping, you can earn money with doing that as well. So, whenever you're grocery shopping, kind of pay attention to the app, that way you can get credit for some of the stuff that you're actually buying anyway. So really, when it comes to this site, there's a good amount of stuff you can do. They also have a video section that's actually in the offers, somewhere down there. But let me see if I can show you some of the rewards that they have here. And I really like the reward section because one thing I always pay attention to is the on sale rewards. All right. So this is how I really, you know, cash out most of the time. So right here, you can get a $25 Visa gift card, but you only have to give them $21.75 for doing that, because it's like I said, it's on sale. A lot of their Visa cards stay on sale. There's always a discount somewhere in it. You just have to kind of just look at it. You can scroll down it. It's not just gift cards, other things as well. It's kind of, this is where I look first to see if it's something I'm interested in. And like I said, the gift cards, they're always there. The next section, the Amazon gift card, this is the most popular section. If I go to view all, these are pretty much the popular awards that everybody gets. It's always PayPal, Amazon, and the gift cards because they're always on sale. So, just this is another one I kind of pay attention to as well. Everybody loves these, just right here, Walmart gift card, $25, but you only got to get them $22. So basically, you're kind of making money with that in a sense. So today I'm actually just gonna do the PayPal one. I'm going to do the PayPal one just because I got some things that I want to actually pay for using PayPal. So I'm going to have the money put in there. It's a $10 gift card. They're going to take 1,000 Swagbucks out. So I should have about, 355 Swagbucks after I do this. So exit that out. You can kind of scroll down. They have the related gift cards, things like that. So basically all I'm going to do is claim gift card. And usually you can connect your PayPal. So to kind of make it faster and an easy and more secure way to receive your payments faster. So I'm going to go ahead and connect my PayPal real quick. And just like that, you just verified your gift card. You see here at the top right corner, they took the 1,000 out. So now I'm just going to wait on that $10 to jump into my PayPal account. So there you have it. It's a really cool site. Like I said, it's been around a very long time. A lot of the get paid to sites that are out now kind of, copy Swagbucks, their, model. Just doing offers, doing surveys, the bonus section, watching videos, receipts. I mean, there's something on here for everybody. Anybody can pretty much do it. Like I told you with the surveys, you're getting 1 cent even if you disqualify. So, it's definitely worth your time. They got on sale gift cards. I mean, there's really nobody else doing all of these things, even though people try to imitate, what they're doing. They're doing a good job at just really, changing the game, just being innovative and offering you more ways to make money. So I highly recommend this site to you guys. The link to sign up is in the description. Um, like I said, it's completely free. You just go in there, create an account, username, password, verify with your email, and just do the things that I showed you in this video. So not difficult at all. Get started with it today, and always remember every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2thousands.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.